Ever felt frustrated with a laptop that lags right when you need it most during classes or clinical rotations? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best laptops for nursing students that actually make studying, note-taking, and multitasking a breeze. Check the links in the description to grab yours. On number 5 is Lenovo 256 GB storage. What if I told you the biggest struggle for many nursing students isn't the workload, but a laptop that lags when switching between lectures, notes, and medical apps? The Lenovo with 256 GB storage solves that instantly. Thin, light, and designed for real study comfort, its 14-inch full high-definition touchscreen and flexible 360 hinge make learning feel smoother than what you get from others. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 4500U processor, it handles multitasking easily, while the long battery life adds peace of mind during clinical days. It is not the most powerful machine out there, but for students needing reliability, speed, and a smart, flexible design, this laptop feels like the right choice. At number 4 is Dell XPS 13. What if I told you that many nursing students struggle not with their coursework, but with laptops that freeze at the worst time? The Dell XPS 13 solves that fear with real confidence. Its 13.4-inch full high-definition Infinity Edge touch display and 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor make lectures, digital textbooks, and clinical research feel effortless. 16GB LPDDR4X memory and a 512GB PCIe solid-state drive keep everything fast, and as compared with others, its lightweight, anti-reflective design offers true everyday comfort. It is not the cheapest option, but for students who want reliability, clarity, and long-term peace of mind, this laptop delivers exactly what matters. Number 3 is Microsoft Surface Laptop. What if I told you that the real struggle for many nursing students isn't memorizing medical terms, but keeping up with fast-moving classes on a laptop that can't handle the pressure? The Microsoft Surface Laptop changes that story instantly. Its Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus processor with dedicated neural processing and 16GB double data rate 5 memory gives buttery smooth performance for lectures, digital textbooks, and clinical apps, while the 1TB PCIe solid-state drive keeps everything quick to open. The 13.8-inch 2K Plus touchscreen at 600 nits feels incredibly clear during long shifts of studying, and as compared with others, the lightweight build and Copilot features create a real sense of ease and control. It is not the cheapest option, but the comfort, speed, and peace of mind it brings make it a powerful pick for nursing learners who want reliability without compromise. At number 2 is NIMO IPS-FHD-Laptop. What if I told you that many nursing students don't struggle with studying itself, but with laptops that slow down right when they are switching between medical apps, notes, and online classes? The NIMO 15.6 IPS full high-definition laptop turns that stress into real relief. With its crisp, anti-glare display and 85% screen-to-body ratio, studying for long hours finally feels comfortable. The 16GB double data rate, 4 memory, and 1TB PCIe solid-state drive deliver fast performance, and as compared with others, the upgrade-friendly design and metal shell give it a level of durability you can actually trust. The 2-year warranty adds peace of mind, especially at a price of $34.99. It is not the most premium machine, but for students who want reliability, clarity, and a smart long-term choice, this laptop feels like a dependable companion worth considering. But the ultimate convenience. Now moving to the last one is Lenovo 512GB storage. Did you know most nursing students waste more time fighting slow laptops than studying? That's why this Lenovo with 512GB solid-state storage feels like a breath of relief. The AMD Ryzen 5U series processor and 16GB double data rate 4 memory deliver smooth multitasking, and the 14-inch wide ultra-extended graphics array touchscreen with a 360 hinge make studying anywhere feel natural. As compared with others, its intelligent cooling and rapid charge boost offer real everyday confidence, especially during long clinical days. It is not the flashiest option, but for students wanting reliability, comfort, and a smart long-term choice, this one genuinely stands out. If you need gaming-level performance, skip it. But for real nursing work, this laptop is dependable, practical, and truly worth considering. The clear winner here is the Lenovo with 512 GB storage. For nursing students, reliability, smooth multitasking, and portability matter most.